Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Fusion side mirror. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a few key tools, including a plastic trim removal set, a multi-bit screwdriver, and a socket set with 7mm and 11mm sockets. Having the right replacement mirror is crucial, so double-check your vehicle's specifications. Always work in a well-lit space, and for safety, consider wearing protective gloves and safety glasses throughout the process. Now let's access the mirror's mounting points. Begin by locating and removing any screws holding the door panel. These are often found behind the door handle in the armrest or along the bottom edge. Next, use your plastic trim tools to carefully pry the door panel away from the door frame, releasing the clips. Once loose, disconnect all electrical connectors, such as those for the window switches, before fully removing the door panel and setting it aside. With the door panel removed, you can now access the mirror assembly. First, gently remove the small plastic trim cover located on the inside of the door, near the mirror's base. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical wiring harness that powers your side mirror's functions. Finally, use your 11mm socket to unscrew the 3 mounting nuts or bolts that secure the old mirror to the door frame. Once these are removed, you can carefully take off the damaged mirror. To install your new mirror, align its mounting studs with the holes in the door frame. Hand tighten the 3 mounting nuts or bolts, then use your ratchet to secure them firmly but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror. Now, reattach all electrical connectors to the door panel, align its clips, and firmly press it back into place. Finally, reinstall all screws and test your new mirror's power adjustments and any other electronic features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.